Came across a file with the cards extension? This descriptive extension may come from various card-related applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through these cards' specialized data files. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one Premier Cards file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. Cards files are data files with the descriptive cards extension potentially used by Flashcard applications playing card games, business card software, or trading card collection management tools. The specific application varies by context, requiring identification of the source software for proper handling and access. Cards files use formats that vary by source application. Flashcard apps may use structured text or XML for card content. Game applications may use proprietary binary formats for card definitions and graphics. Business card software may store contact information with formatting metadata. Source identification is essential for choosing the right tool. Most users will find that Anki, developed by Damien Elmez, is the best tool for cards. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows provides a minimal descriptor, but accessing the contents requires original-era programs. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the cards file and hit Open With. Use Anki if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If your cards file will not open yet, do not panic. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, inspecting file contents. Open the cards file in a text editor like Notepad++ or VS Code first. If the content is structured text, XML, or JSON, it may reveal flashcard study material or contact information directly. Plain text content enables manual extraction of card data even without the source application available. Next, identifying source context. Consider where the cards file originated. If from study or learning context, it may be flashcards from Anki Quizlet or similar apps. If from gaming, it may be card game data. If from contact management, it may be business cards. Context narrows down the likely source application. Finally, trying common card apps. Try opening cards files in popular flashcard applications like Anki Quizlet or Mnemosiny, which import various card formats. For business cards, try contact management software. Most card-related applications support multiple import formats and may recognize the cards file or convert it to their native format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.